Hey guys, Sachin here. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna review a $300 per day or $300 day. This is a new launch which is coming up on 31st of March at 10 a.m. EST. It's by Mike from Maine, Michael Thomas, and Brett Techie. The Brett is the creator of this course actually. He has a video training inside this course. So what I'm going to be doing in this video is I'm going to be sharing with you the members area of $300 day. Then I'm going to be sharing with you what is inside $300 day. Is it worth to get it right now? Is it going to make money for newbies and advanced marketer? Are they both going to benefit from this $300 day? Then I'm going to be sharing with you the OTOs, upsells, upgrades of $300 a day, the pricing point of all of these OTOs, what are the features inside each of those OTOs, and then I'm going to be sharing with you my bonuses, which is something you can't resist. Okay. Okay, so this is a new traffic source. I would not say new traffic source, but a new traffic provider, I would say, or a new CLICKBANK offer, I would say, which I tested out, because I have recently, for like 5 to 6 months, have stopped promoting on CLICKBANK because a lot of high converting offers from CLICKBANK have been deactivated. I don't know why. Okay, so this was a new offer which was recently launched on CLICKBANK, and I tested out with my email list and my new traffic provider, I would say, because it's going to be a new for you. Okay, and it got me. I started on 27th, and this the first trial which I got, and this is going to be a $47 per month recurring. And then after 2 days, it got me some upsells. The guy bought upsells. And yesterday, I again tested out with another, because I got this sales $157. I tested out again through to my email list, and I got $140 as I'm recording right now. Today's date, 30th of March. Okay, this is according to the CLICKBANK stats. Okay, so that is that. So I'm going to be sharing with you what is this traffic source which I'm using, and I'm not sugarcoating anything. It's up to you whether you want to get it through my link or you want to get it through another affiliate link. Okay, it's completely up to you. What I'm offering as a bonus is going to really help you, because traffic something is never shared in any of the product information. They show you you need to get traffic from Facebook, you need to get from solo ads, all this kind of stuff, but nobody actually tells you to go to this person, buy traffic from him. He's gonna make you money. His traffic is worth. His traffic is gonna get you sales. Nobody's gonna tell you that, okay? Because they don't want a competition. Okay, so I don't care about that stuff. To be really honest, I would share with you the traffic provider, because the traffic is what something is missing in $300 a day, because everything is done. Now this kind of product is always there. I mean, they have released last 6 months. In last 6 months, you can see Brandon May's product, you can see Glenn Koski's products, who are based on the same theory that they are releasing their past year's campaign with their review pages, their bonuses, and all that kind of stuff. But they're not actually telling you from where they got traffic, because for traffic they release their product, okay, and they get a whole lot of buyers into their list. Okay, so that is something a big worrying point. So I'm going to be solving that with my traffic bonus. I'm going to be telling you, go to this guy, get traffic from this guy, test him out. You can also reach out to me. You can talk to me on Facebook. You can let me ask me the questions, how many clicks I should test. You can show me your squeeze page too. I would kindly give you some suggestions according to my knowledge, and let's see if you get good results. But this is something I got results. That is why I'm really confident, and these are recent results. Okay, so that is why I'm confident. So I'm going to be giving you the traffic bonuses. So stay till the end, because you're gonna love these bonuses. Okay, so coming to the $300 day, course of Brett Tech. Now, Brett is a really honest guy, but the main thing is he is selling more of his product on JVZoo platform. Okay, and on JVZoo platform, they are more like of a software products. They're not kind of like a make money on that product. You will always see products which are related to video marketing, squeeze pages, SEO optimization, bonus builder, that kind of thing. You would not see any kind of make $300 per day, maybe make $100 per day, or $100 for free traffic. You would not see that kind of product on JVZoo. These products are more likely on Warrior Plus. Okay, so Brett, last couple of years products have been in softwares. Okay, so I don't know if those products are going to convert with a normal traffic, because normal traffic don't even know a website, don't even know how to create a website, don't even know a squeeze page, what is a list building, don't know. They just want to make money from their home. Okay, so of course there's going to be a good training inside the course, but I don't know if the normal traffic is going to convert with his offers or not. Oh no, don't know. Okay, so let's see what the software demo of this one, and if I could okay, so you can see over here in his members area of this $300 day, he has released all of his past year's launches or the past promotion that he has done, and you will get all these launches promotion, and you would need to only put in your affiliate link over here and you can start promoting it. But to whom you will promote is your traffic is going to buy these kind of things. I mean, look at this Facebook giveaway landing page, Vids Matcher, Meet View, Coach Zippy, free profit, Market Presso, free bonus. Now, this kind of thing are for those marketers who know email marketing, who know affiliate marketing. For a normal public and normal people, I don't know if they're familiar with this kind of thing, like Facebook advertisement, or websites, squeeze pages, so videos, video marketing, video softwares, or that kind of thing. So I don't know if this kind of promotion are gonna generate any kind of sales with a normal traffic. You need to have a different kind of traffic, and in this demo he has shown that he has made up a lot of money with this affiliate promotion because he is a product launcher on JVZoo. He has got a huge buyers list, and the buyers list is familiar to these software launches. That is why people always buy through him, because they're familiar with these software launches. Okay, and that is something a worrying point for me. So I don't know if it's going to convert. I'm going to show you the stats. Okay, but let's see the stats over here. So he had sent up 1185 clicks. Out of this 837 were unique clicks. He got 136 opt-ins, and then he says he made over let me share. Okay, he made over this kind of money. Now imagine if you don't have a list, if you don't have a buyers list, you're not going to make this kind of money. Trust me, you need to have a different kind of highly qualified email list, okay, to make this kind of money. So don't get me wrong, but it's not going to work for you unless until you have a really good, high quality, responsive email list. Trust me on that. Okay, try it out. If you could make it, let me know in the next 30 days. Trust me. Okay, so this is something which you're going to be getting inside the members area of $300 day from Brett. Front end, this is the front end which they are going to be selling for $27. Step-by-step training that teaches people how to build a following from scratch. You're going to be getting a training about affiliate marketing. They're going to be giving you done for you pages, done for you bonus pages, done for you bonuses that you can deliver, and all that kind of stuff. But I don't know they're going to be including any traffic. Okay, so also included a special software that uses to do his affiliate promotion and build his email list. Okay, that is going to be in $27 front end. Coming to first OTO, which is a bonus builder upgrade, which is at $67. Upgrade to bonus builder software that will let you copy Brett's own personal bonuses, present and the future. So any promotion that Brett is going to be doing in the future, you're going to be all getting that affiliate promotion details. Okay, so you can use his promotion materials as your own. Only you need to change your affiliate link. Okay, that is something you're going to be getting with the bonus builder. This is the upgrade page, the first OTO. Okay, and you can basically get all of the Brett's bonuses to use in your own promotion. So you can get bounce baby, content log, current viewing, all this kind of software. Okay, great. If you build a list kind of which love this kind of software, then it's great. But if you are a normal person, you just want to make money online, who would say, what is that? Jack, what is that? Link Master, what is that? Profit Canvas, it's completely unknown. But this is especially for those advanced people who know how to do affiliate marketing effectively. Okay, so this bonus are gonna work for them. Okay, not for the newbies, trust me. Okay, this is gonna be at, and this is just a one-time payment of $67. You're not going to be billed monthly, and you're going to be getting all those of his future promotions. Okay. The next OTO is going to be unlimited agency, where Brett's exclusive agency access will let you sell his platform as your own by putting in the JVZoo buy button. Okay, so if you ever wanted to create your own product, they're going to be giving you an agency license where you can launch some of the Brett's product in your own name on JVZoo.com with your own JVZoo buy button. Okay, now I don't know how many people are gonna be affiliate for your product. I don't know, but you would get a done for your product, be done for your sales page, done for your membership area, all the OTOs created, all the OTOs membership area, all this kind of stuff. So ever you wanted to create a launch for your own product, that this is going to be a good fit for you, because you're going to be getting a buyers list, and the buyers list is really powerful, my friend. Okay, so you're going to be getting some of his products that you can again launch it on JVZoo.com, and it's going to be just for $47. So this is a good deal. Okay, unlimited license. Okay. The next OTO is going to be the last OTO, which is going to be a super funnel. Now this is something I would love, but again my problem is the offers are not related directly to the make money online, the simplest way to make money online. It's all about the softwares, it's all about the list building, that kind of thing. So people get confused, and the main thing that will hit their head is they have to work. Whenever this thing comes into a newbie's mind, oh, I have to work, he's not going to do that, because most of the people who buy info product, they don't even look at the first introduction video in full. Okay, that is the biggest problem. Okay, the super funnel, so I'm going to be showing you this one. So it's going to be completely done for you, the super funnel, and it's going to be at $96, where you would get the squeeze page, the thank you page, the offer page. Also, you don't need to have an email autoresponder, because he is going to send emails, the follow-up emails on your behalf for 30 days, and everything is going to be done for you. You can also have the leads. I'm going to be playing that for you. Just a sec. Just a sec. Okay. Okay, so here we go. This welcome to super funnel. So you're going to be getting the lead magnet, the squeeze page, and the gift that you're going to be giving away for free to get those subscribers inside it. Plus they're going to be following up with your emails, just to put in your affiliate JVZoo ID over here, and everything is done for you. They're going to be following up with your email leads, and these are some of the products that they are going to be promoting inside that 30-day email follow-up sequence. Okay, so when you add your JVZoo ID inside of this members area, all of the links are going to be activated with your affiliate link. Okay, so this all commission that you going to be generated is going to go to you. Okay, plus they have got 100% commission across the entire sales funnel for all of these products. I mean, you will get 100% off the front end as well as 100% across the entire sales funnel. That is all OTOs. You're going to be getting 100% commission for this all product with the super funnels, and that is why something I think maybe it could work for you, because maybe it could give you some good return on investment. Okay, so you can try it out. I would recommend this OTO. So these were the upsell OTOs for $300 day from Brett. So which OTO I recommend? I would recommend, of course, the front end is there is no option. You can get a front end, but I would recommend this one, super funnel, because some excuse me, some of the things are going to be totally done for you. So yeah, it's going to be profitable. Okay, rest, I don't know. Launching a product is a good fit for a newbie. I'm telling this all stuff from a newbie's point. If you ask me from an advanced marketer's point, yes, then I would recommend all the OTOs, because they are perfect for those people who are advanced marketer, who are creating the bonus pages, who are promoting an affiliate promotion using this bonus style review pages. Then this all upgrades are going to be perfect fit for you. But I am actually telling you from a newbie's point of view, okay, because the sales page says $300 per day blueprint. So a normal newbie is going to be attracted towards it, and when you get inside, if he sees all this kind of work, then it's going to be really hard for you. So these are information about the members area of the front end. Now the main thing which I have already told you, that the traffic is missing. So I'm going to be solving that with my traffic provider's name. I'm going to be sending you the name of the provider. You just need to go to him, buy traffic from him. I'm going to be also telling you how many clicks you should be trying out, what are the pricing point of this traffic, and it's really cheap. It's like 40 cents per click. It's really cheap. And the important thing is you can be assured that you can get results. Okay, it's because this is not a guarantee, but something which I'm getting results. That is why I'm really confident about it. Okay, so this is something I'm offering as a bonus for this launch period. So if you want to get in with the $300 day, and if you want my traffic provider as your bonus, think about it, how much money you're going to be saving in the future if you're looking for high quality traffic. Okay, so you can get it through the link right below this video, and let me know. The bonuses are going to be preloaded on the receipt page. So when you get a receipt from JVZoo.com, and there's going to be a button which would say affiliate bonus. Just need to click that affiliate bonus button and you would get access to my bonuses. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions about this $300 day. Comment below your questions. I will be more than happy to help you on this. And if you are not able to get bonuses as I promised, just message me on Facebook. Okay, message me there, and I'm going to be sending you the bonuses within 12 to 24 hours after you send me a message. Also send me a payment receipt on Facebook Messenger, and you're good to go. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my review video of $300 a day. Let me know how you like this review video. If you like it, you can click the like button. Either way, if you didn't like it, just let me know what you didn't like so that I can improve myself in my next review video. Okay, so thank you so much and have a great day. Bye-bye.